Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the world of sustainable woodworking with creative DIY projects designed specifically for beginners. Discover how fusion design can transform your home while adding a touch of uniqueness and creativity. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or simply want to create beautiful, functional pieces for your living space, our money-making woodworking projects will inspire you. Join us as we guide you step by step through each project, making it easy and enjoyable to bring your ideas to life. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, DIY woodworking presents both an exciting opportunity and an eco-friendly outlet for creativity. These fusion design projects allow you to blend different styles and materials, making unique pieces for your home while also being kind to the planet. Whether you're looking to enhance your living space or generate some extra income, there's immense potential in crafting sustainable woodworking projects. Fusion design is all about combining various aesthetic elements to create something new and innovative. By merging modern techniques with traditional craftsmanship, you can design pieces that are not only visually appealing but also functional. Imagine a rustic coffee table that incorporates sleek, modern accents, or a quirky bookshelf that fuses natural wood with metal elements. The possibilities are endless. Before diving into projects, it's essential to get familiar with the basic tools you'll need. A saw, drill, sander, and measuring tools will be your best friends as you embark on your woodworking journey. Don't forget about safety gear like goggles and gloves. Understand how each tool works, as well as the best practices for using them. This foundational knowledge will empower you to tackle more elaborate projects in the future. One of the highlights of DIY woodworking is the ability to choose eco-friendly materials. Look for reclaimed wood, which not only adds character to your projects, but also reduces waste. You can often find reclaimed wood at local lumber yards, construction sites, or even online marketplaces. Additionally, consider using non-toxic finishes and paints to ensure your creations are safe for your home environment. If you're a beginner, start with smaller projects that can be completed in a short time frame. Simple items like coasters, cutting boards, or small shelves offer a great way to practice your skills while creating something useful. As you gain confidence, you can gradually move on to more complex pieces, such as furniture or home decor items that showcase your unique style. While DIY woodworking can be a rewarding hobby, it's crucial to establish a budget. Factor in the cost of materials, tools, and any additional expenses. There are many creative ways to keep costs down, such as shopping for used tools or sourcing reclaimed wood. By planning your budget, you'll ensure that your projects remain financially sustainable, especially if you aim to sell your creations later. If your goal is to turn your DIY woodworking into a money-making venture, effective marketing is key. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to share your projects and reach potential customers. High-quality images and engaging descriptions will attract attention and help you build a following. Local craft fairs and online marketplaces can also be great venues to showcase and sell your work. Every woodworker faces challenges, especially when starting. Embrace the learning process and don't be discouraged by mistakes. Each error offers a valuable lesson that will improve your skills over time. Whether it's realizing a cut was too short or a stain didn't turn out as planned, use these experiences to refine your techniques. Consider joining a woodworking community, either online or in person. Engaging with other woodworkers can provide you with inspiration, support, and valuable advice. You'll learn tips and tricks from seasoned pros, and you might even find collaborative opportunities to expand your skills and network. Take pride in every project you complete, no matter how small. Celebrating your achievements helps build confidence and encourages you to tackle more ambitious projects. Share your successes with friends and family or on social media. Each finished piece is a testament to your effort and creativity, and it can motivate others to explore woodworking. As you grow more comfortable with basic woodworking, explore advanced techniques. Join workshops or online courses that focus on specific skills like joinery, furniture making, or finishing techniques. Learning these skills not only enhances your craft, but also opens up new avenues for creating unique pieces that stand out. Your journey into sustainable woodworking can inspire others to embrace creativity and sustainability. Share tips, tutorials, or your progress on social media platforms to motivate not only fellow beginners, but also those who may have never tried woodworking before. By promoting eco-friendly practices, you can contribute positively to a more sustainable world. In conclusion, embarking on a money-making journey through Fusion Design's sustainable DIY woodworking projects is both rewarding and impactful. From honing your skills to sharing your creations, the opportunities are endless. So gather your materials, set up your workspace, and let your creativity flourish as you dive into the world of woodworking. The joy of making something beautiful while being environmentally conscious awaits you. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed exploring these money-making Fusion Design sustainable DIY woodworking projects for beginners. Your support means the world to us. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share with others who might be interested in woodworking. Together, we can promote creativity, sustainability, and build a community of makers. Thanks again for tuning in, and happy crafting!